Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Brazil in FIFA. Brazil's national team is renowned for its attacking flair and technical prowess, making them a fantastic choice in the game. We'll dive into their optimal formation, key player roles, and effective strategies to dominate your opponents. Understanding their strengths and how to leverage their star players is crucial for success. Get ready to unleash the Samba magic on the virtual pitch and score some incredible goals. Brazil boasts incredible individual talent. Neymar Jr., with his 5-star skill moves and weak foot, is your primary playmaker and finisher. Position him centrally or on the left wing to maximize his impact. Vinicius Jr. on the left wing offers blistering pace and exceptional dribbling, perfect for beating defenders. Casemiro, your defensive midfielder, is vital for breaking up play and distributing the ball effectively. Leverage these stars to create scoring opportunities and control the game's tempo. When attacking, Brazil thrives on fluid movement and creative play. Employ quick 1-2 passes in the midfield to penetrate defensive lines. Use your wingers, like Vinicius Jr. and Rafinha, to perform skill moves and beat defenders one-on-one, creating space for crosses or shots. Don't shy away from crossing the ball into the box, especially with strong aerial threats. Their attacking prowess allows for diverse scoring opportunities, keeping opponents guessing throughout the match. Defensively, Brazil can be solid while still maintaining an attacking threat. Apply constant pressure on your opponents, but ensure your defensive line remains organized. Utilize your defensive midfielder, like Casemiro, to intercept passes and win crucial tackles in the middle of the park. Once possession is regained, transition quickly into counterattacks, leveraging the pace of your wingers and forwards. A balanced approach, combining aggressive pressing with disciplined defending, will lead to more clean sheets and victories.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.